Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will compare the MK4 Supra versus the BMW M5. Let's dive into their performance. The MK4 Supra, especially the turbo model, is famous for its 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six engine, delivering around 320 horsepower. This allows it to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 4.7 seconds. The BMW M5, depending on the generation, offers a powerful V8 or even a V10 engine, with some models producing over 500 horsepower and achieving similar acceleration times, often around 4.8 seconds. Moving beyond raw power, the driving experience is crucial. The MK4 Supra is celebrated for its direct, analog feel, offering a truly engaging connection to the road. Its lighter weight contributes to agile handling. In contrast, the BMW M5, while incredibly capable, provides a more refined and luxurious ride. It balances high-performance dynamics with comfort, making it a formidable grand tourer. Both cars offer distinct philosophies on how a performance vehicle should feel. Now let's step inside and consider practicality. The MK4 Supra's interior is a testament to its sports car roots: functional, driver-focused, and relatively minimalist. It prioritizes the driving experience over creature comforts. The BMW M5, however, offers a much more spacious and luxurious cabin, often featuring premium materials and advanced technology. As a performance sedan, it comfortably seats 5 and provides substantial cargo capacity, a stark contrast to the Supra's 2+2 layout. Finally, let's talk about value and legacy. The MK4 Supra has achieved iconic status, with its robust engine and timeless design contributing to significant collector value and a thriving aftermarket. The BMW M5, on the other hand, represents a different kind of legend, offering a sophisticated blend of executive luxury and track-ready performance. Both cars have left an indelible mark on automotive history. Before you go, remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.